This cheesecake is rich, creamy, and totally packed with pistachio flavor. Hi everyone, it's Cosmin from Dessertophilia again, and today I'm showing you how I'm making my crustless pistachio almond cheesecake that also happens to be gluten-free and keto-friendly. Let's get to it. These are 250 grams of ricotta and 250 grams of mascarpone. Since ricotta has a tendency of leaving water, I used a paper napkin to remove the excess liquid. Now I mix the two cheeses until I obtain a smooth cream. To this I add 60 grams of erythritol. If you want your cake sweeter, double the quantity of erythritol. For an extra kick of pistachio flavor, I'm adding 50 milliliters of pure pistachio liqueur. Just a little salt to make sure all flavors are well balanced. And the first of the 3 eggs. Make sure this is incorporated before adding the next 2. The batter is quite fluid now, so it needs something to keep it together as it bakes. 25 grams of ground almonds. And finally 50 grams of chopped unsalted pistachios. I buttered my baking dish and lined it with ground almonds. The cake needs 45 minutes in a 160 Celsius oven. As it cools down to room temperature, it will deflate. It's supposed to do that. And after 6 hours in the fridge, it's ready to slice and serve. Enjoy! Until next time, Dessertophiles!